Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the DAREU EK75RT Hall Effect Rapid Trigger Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, a unique and versatile gaming keyboard that combines advanced technology with a compact design. With a 75% layout, magnetic switches, and adjustable actuation, this keyboard offers some seriously powerful features in a space-saving form factor. Let's get into what makes it a fantastic choice for gamers who want precision and flexibility. The key feature here is the Hall Effect Rapid Trigger Magnetic Switches. These switches use magnetic sensing to detect key presses, which allows for adjustable actuation, meaning you can control how much pressure is needed to register a keystroke. This level of customization is ideal for competitive gaming, as you can fine-tune the actuation for lightning-fast inputs in FPS games or set a deeper actuation point for more deliberate typing. The 75% layout is another highlight, providing a balance between a full keyboard and a compact form factor. This layout includes all the essential keys like function and arrow keys but keeps the keyboard compact and lightweight. It's perfect if you need extra mouse space or prefer a minimalist desk setup without sacrificing essential keys. The EK75RT also features RGB lighting with magnetic sensing, offering full customization for each key. This means you can create vibrant lighting effects or choose a solid color to match your setup. The RGB is both functional and stylish, adding that extra bit of immersion and personalization. One more great addition is the multifunctional knob located at the top corner of the keyboard. This knob offers convenient control over volume, lighting adjustments, or other programmable settings, giving you quick access to essential functions without interrupting your game. Durability is also key here, with high-quality materials ensuring that this keyboard can withstand intense gaming sessions. The Hall Effect switches are designed to be long-lasting, resisting wear and maintaining performance over time, which is perfect for serious gamers. In summary, the DAREU EK75RT Hall Effect Rapid Trigger Magnetic Switch Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a compact, powerful option with advanced features like adjustable actuation, a space-saving layout, RGB lighting, and a multifunctional control knob. If you're looking for a gaming keyboard that combines precision, customization, and a sleek design, this is one to consider. Check out the link below for the best price available, and as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest in tech reviews and gaming gear recommendations.